this project, you're going to need to bring in your own metal blanks. So I bought these at a craft store. And you're going to need our metal stamping kit that you can find in the forge, and you're always welcome to stop by the forge and use this stamp for your projects. In this kit you'll have a steel block, a hammer, metal stamps in a variety of different sizes, and we're going to go ahead and pick out our metal stamps that we're going to be using. We're going to be spelling the word love on our little elongated rectangle. I'm going to show you how to use the universal metal stamp holder. You unscrew the handle, pop the metal stamp in, make sure it's level to where you are closest to your blank, just kind of like I'm showing you now, and then you're going to go ahead and place it down and grab your hammer and just hammer it down. This tool will help you keep your hands away from the hammer and you're less likely to hurt yourself. For this project I will not be using the universal holder. I'm going to go ahead and hold the stamps with my hand. I have done this before, so I feel more comfortable using the metal stamps this way. But again, you are always welcome to use that holder to make sure you keep your hands and fingers away from where you're hammering. We have two different size alphabet sets, one larger than the other. And for this project specifically, I measured them out with my blank, and I chose to use this smaller set. But before I begin stamping, I'm going to tape down my blank to the steel block so that it doesn't move as I hammer down. Once I have everything set and I make sure that my letter is facing the correct way, I'm going to go ahead and take every single letter and just hammer it down. Hold the stamp firm and straight, and with your hammer, hit the top end of the stamp with a firm blow. I go ahead and hit it about 3 or 4 times to make sure that I have a very nice deep impression, but it really depends on how firm you are hitting your stamp with the hammer. And we're just going to repeat this process with all our 4 letters. And just like that, we have our 4 letters L-O-V-E stamped onto our metal blank. Our final step is using our jewelry toolkit to add a keychain ring to what we just created. And just like that, we have this beautiful keychain to give away during the holidays. Thank you. And that concludes our last video for our 12 days of making. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the forge soon.